What's up, traders? It's Mark here coming at you with today's wild trading recap. Folks, today we had the rally of a lifetime. Okay? And so, folks, I've got a very special treat here for you. I am going to show you how this volume indicator nailed the exact start of today's monster run. All right? But first, ladies and gentlemen, we got to take out and really admire today's wild session. I mean, just look at this thing, man. S&P was up almost 5% in a day. Look at the Dow. Over 1,000 points on the Dow, and the NASDAQ probably set a one-day record. This is a single market index that is up almost 7% in a single day. So listen, folks, I've warned you repeatedly. The volatility is never going to go away. This right now is a day trader's dream. I don't care what day it is, what month it is, what year it is, because the volatility is here to stay forever. And I'm going to show you how this volume indicator color band that you see on the screen right before your very eyes is, in my opinion, the best trading indicator in the world. All right, folks, so what you're seeing right now is the chart of the NASDAQ, but don't worry, I've got the S&P 500 queued up as well. You guys know I love the S&P 500. This is probably the global benchmark, but there is no doubt, ladies and gentlemen, that the NAS might actually be the #1 market right now. This is the #1 symbol that I think traders all over the world are drawn to, okay? Now, what I'm going to show you here in this video is how to play a trend change two different ways. The first way is to potentially take a trade on the same chart. All right, you're not running any type of master and slave chart. You don't have, 10 charts open. You're just looking at a single symbol and you're waiting patiently for the signals to show up. All right, the second way, which I'm going to come back to in a few seconds here, is slapping on the super vol background, all right, which really fine-tunes your entries. But first, let's talk about the first method, all right, which is just simply looking for opportunities on the same chart. This is the most popular method. This is the method that I personally like to use just because I'm kind of lazy, want to simplify my trading and simplify my life, and all I want to do is keep a close eye on where and how the market's trending, and I want to look for high probability, low risk setups. You with me? So, folks, as you can see here, this indicator turned green sometime around 9 o'clock in the morning, all right? That's what this yellow box right here represents. You see this? It turned, when I say it, I mean this color band, all right? It changed from red into green at this moment in time. So pretty much any time after 9 o'clock in the morning, folks, I am looking for long opportunities, because shame on you if you tried to short this market, right, when the volume indicator was so clearly and obviously green. Shame on you, right? Because I've said this 1,000 times, counter trend traders get destroyed. But trend traders, right, people that can identify the starting point of a potential trend, these are the types of traders that find really good success in the market. Anyway, when this thing turns green, all right, I'm waiting for continuation. I'm waiting for the trend to prove itself, show me that we are in fact bullish, and then I want to see the market dip back, dip back, dip back. I want to see it come all the way down underneath the color band and give me a color match, okay, which is a green reversal bar, meaning it's got to be a same color bar that matches up to the color of the indicator. Check, green against green, right? And I want to see this thing underneath the color band. That's what makes this particular setup the best. You guys understand what I'm saying? This is the definition of a retracement pattern, folks. All right, so this would be the signal bar. We would then look to potentially go long this market on the open of the next bar, right? The stop loss would go 1 or 2 ticks underneath the signal bar's low, and you guys know what happened, right? This market soared for 900 ticks. Okay. So don't you dare tell me that you can't follow along with this simple chart pattern. Matter of fact, congrats to all you vol customers who were using the vol today. I know you crushed it, and I want you to email me today and tell me how many ticks you were able to grab today. All right, I want to know. But we're not done. What about that second method of using 2 charts? One master chart, one slave chart, what I call the higher time frame, smaller time frame approach. To do that, we're going to need this indicator called the super vol background. Watch what happens when I load this onto the chart, okay? Kablam! Now we also get a green background that's drawn on top of the smaller time frame chart, and now we're looking for 3 sets of confluence, folks, not just one. All right? It's not enough to wait for a green bar against a green vol. Now we want to wait for a green bar against a green color band, against a retracement, and against a green background, just like that, ladies and gentlemen. With me? Isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing how a simple green and red color band volume indicator profile within the context of a retracement can help keep you in the duration of the entire trend? All right, ladies and gentlemen, and like I said, this super vol background's kind of interesting because if the background's green, then we're not even paying attention to reds, right? We're not going to be looking at this red. We're only going to be paying attention to this green. We're not going to be looking at this red all the way up here. We're only going to be looking at this green. You with me? So yeah, guys, today was a record-setting day for this volume indicator. I've never seen in my career such a powerful day as we had today. Big shout out, big congrats to all my new customers who've onboarded this volume indicator software over the last couple weeks and months. I know you guys crushed it today. And what gives me goosebumps to say right now is, could you imagine if tomorrow, literally tomorrow, the next trading session, we had a complete opposite of this, where instead of the market ripping 1,000 points like it did today, then I can't wait to see if the volume indicators are going to nail a 1,000-point sell-off tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.